Hi guys, this is my 27th video of our DBMS question series. So in this video I'm going to explain about the question set 27. So let's read first question. What is the number of students studying in class 11A? Okay, let's write the query. Okay guys, this is the query for the first question. So let's read the query. I select the count of the students, the first names of the student, because it is a unique value. Also we can use index number. Okay, let's use it, index number. Then I select it from the student table, then we join the class table on the class ID. Then the condition is class name equal 11A. So this is the query. Then let's execute this and see the result. Okay, we can see there are 4 students in class 11A. So let's go to the next question. Find the number of students who scored between 40 and 90 marks in all subjects in the first term examination. Number of data records. Okay. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 2. So let's read the query. I select the index number from the student exam mark record table and inner join the exam term on the term ID. Then we make the condition term name equal first term, mark is greater than 40 and less than 80. So let's execute the query and see the result. Okay, you can see there are 12 records of students who faced to the first exam that scored between 40 and 80. So let's read the third question. What is the number of students appearing in the subject of science in second term examination out of the students studying in all classes in grade 11? Okay. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 3. So let's read the query. I select the first name from the student table and then inner join the student exam mark record by the index number, then the subject table and also the exam table by subject ID and term ID respectively. So after that the condition is the term name equals second term and the subject name equals science. So let's execute the query and the see result. Okay, you can see there are 8 students participated to science subject at the second term. So let's read the fourth question. Find the following details of 11A class students who scored more than 60 marks in mathematics in the second term examinations. Okay, let's get a new query tab and write it. Select. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 4. We select the index number, that means the admission number, then the first name, last name, mark and the exam date. from the student table, and we now join the student exam mark record table by the index number, and the exam mark table by the term ID, class table by the class ID, subject table by the subject ID, class. Okay, and the condition is class name is 11A, mark is above 60, that means greater than 60. Subject name is mathematics, and the term name is second term. So let's execute the query and see result. Okay, you can see there are two students are there, Amanda and Dylan, who got above 60 for mathematics in the second term at 11A class. So this is the answer for the fourth question. So let's go to the fifth question. Find the number of students in class 11A who scored more than 60 marks in the science subject in the second term examination. So let's write the query. Select. Okay guys, this is the answer for the question number 5. I copied the query 7. Query 7 means this query, and I pasted it in here and made some changes. You can see by dividing the video. So I'll select the index number from the student table, then join the student, exam term, class, subject, and every table like this. Then we make the condition class name equal 11A, and the mark is greater than 60. The subject name is science, and the term name is second term. So let's execute the query and see result. You can see there are 3 students who got about 60 marks for science at grade 11A at the second term. So this is the end of my question set 27 video. So let's meet in my next video of question set 28. Thank you guys for watching.